Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to disable or deactivate WhatsApp without uninstalling or deleting the WhatsApp account. Follow these easy steps to learn how to actually deactivate a WhatsApp app. First of all, on your Android phone, open your settings app. Once you are in your phone settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on the search apps icon and search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. And here, first of all, tap on notification and make sure to disable notification for your WhatsApp app. Go back from this page and now tap on mobile data, and here you have to disable allow background data usage. Disable these two options, go back from this page and now tap on picture in picture. Also disable picture in picture mode, and now tap on battery, and here you have to select restricted. And once you successfully followed all of these options, now on, whenever someone sends you a message or calls to your WhatsApp, you won't get any notifications for any kind of calls, messages from WhatsApp until you open the WhatsApp app. It means you successfully deactivated your WhatsApp app. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.